What is web development? This is the main and important question that raised in your mind. In today's video, I am going to answer your questions and explain about web development.
Hi myself. I am yours AGW developer. Before going into the video, subscribe to my channel and most importantly like the video.
First, what is web development? Web development, in simpler terms, means to build/create and maintain a website on the Internet, World Wide Web, or an intranet, private network, for having one's digital presence/online presence. The work involved in the website creation is known as web development. In other words, web development is what goes on behind the scenes of what you see as a great-looking website with a good loading speed and a satisfying user experience. It has various parts such as web design, database management, web publishing, and web programming. Web development can range from a single static page of plain text website to a complex web-based applications, electronic businesses, and social network services. Next, web developer and web designer. A web developer technically is a person who writes the web scripts in various languages such as PHP, ASP. He may also help in maintaining and updating the database used by a dynamic website. Web designer is a person who designs the user interface of a website using coding languages such as CSS, HTML. While the terms web developer and web designer are often used synonymously but do not have the same meaning technically. Web developer might be involved in designing a website too, but a web designer only works on designing the user interface of a website. Methods used in web development. There are several methods and tools available for creating websites, but usually confusion arises between simplicity and customization. It means to decide whether one wants to have a simple static website or fully customized one. Therefore, big businesses have a dedicated team of web developers for creating and maintaining their websites because they opt to have a customized website. While small businesses tend to choose a solution like WordPress that provides a basic website template and CMS. In web development there are three different types. First is front-end development. Second is back-end development. Finally, third is full-stack development. Front-end developers do code the front end of a website, i.e. the part that the user sees and interacts with. Bring the web designer's designs to life using HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. Ensure responsive design. Back-end developers do work behind the scenes, building and maintaining the technology needed to power the front end. Ensure that everything the front-end developer builds is fully functional. Create and manage the database. Full-stack developers do experts in both back-end and front-end development. Guide on strategy and best practices. Well-versed in both business logic and user experience. A web development stack refers to the combination of tools and technologies used to create a website or web application. Also known as a solution stack, web development stacks include all the programming languages, frameworks, libraries, servers, software, etc. that web developers use to complete a project. To develop a website you need to follow some steps. The first step is to gather information. Gather the information related to your business. The second step is to design. Create your designs and layouts for your website. The third step is to write your content. Write the headlines and sub-headlines of your website. The fourth step is to code. Create framework in all coding part. The final step is to test and launch. Test your site and launch it online. These steps may make your website popular.
Thank you for supporting me. Stay tuned for the next video.